Hi, let me introduce you to Learning Transformer. This is our most basic solution that allows you to transform your own content, fully integrated and available in your LMS. Plus, the output is fully ADA compliant and accessible. So let me show you really quickly what we do. This is what typical lesson page. If you're lucky, you have some images, you may have some videos, and if you have media teams and some teams that help you with interactives, you may have some of that content. But always there are opportunities of improvement. This content specifically could be daunting for a student. So having multimodal options for the students are very critical nowadays. And we should really pursue those solutions. So after looking at this content, it's a little bit daunting right here. No, I have a few YouTube videos. That's good. And what we do is we're able to grab all the content that you have in here and generate a video for you. So let's go and take a look at that. This is the Atoms page. So let me go into the course. This is our Learn Transforming Backend solution. And then I'm going to go into our slideshow. Typically, all you have to do is just select the type of models that you want to use. These are all the same pages that I have in Canvas. If I add or remove a page or lesson in Canvas, those will automatically show in here. So that's why the integration works like that. You select the option and then click on generate content. We're gonna skip that process because that's actually the most boring part of it. The nice part of this is being able to load the video and the content in here. And now here you actually have a full view of the content. You're actually able to edit, change the things before finalizing the video. So you have full power up to the type of experience you want to provide to the user. And more importantly, all this has a couple of things. One, fully compliant, accessible. And two, it has knowledge checks built in and the high quality of audio as well. So we're not going to hear much of the audio in this demo because that's no intention.
By the end of this section, you will be able to define matter and element.
Just going to move
at
a
its
little
most
bit here.
fundamental.
So what I want to show you is things like this. This image, for example, was not generated through AI. We try to leverage the content that you have as much as we can. So if I try to come around this and try to search for this image, and surely we'll find it somewhere. So this is the actual image in here. We were able to extract it and put it in context for the video as the video is explaining the concept. And
atoms consist of...
More importantly, we don't only do that. We're actually able to knowledge check the student as the system is coming up. So the topic that we just covered, now the student is able to get some questions. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get it wrong. Oh, I got it right. But
each element has a characteristic number of...
with the learning experience. And more importantly, all these knowledge checks are not just knowledge checks, they are being tracked in our database. So by the end of the day, we're able to know what audio and video options the students are playing, what is the knowledge at least checks experience as far as what is trending, what topics we may be able to kind of tell the faculty that they have to spend more time and energy. And that's the type of experience that you will have. So let me show you one more, the podcast. That's the last solution in here. And again, it breaks it down in segments, which is basically on the topics. We also have a knowledge check built in. We're able to change here the voice, the information you have, the content that you want before you publish it. And all you have to do is save changes. This is all HTML driven solution that is fully integrated into LMS. And then you have the experience like this for the student. Once you do this, you come into it. So as a student, all you are here, and then you can click on slideshow, and it will show the video for you that you can start playing back and have the same experience that I just showed you. So let me know if you have any questions, and if you want to reach out to me, feel free to connect at any time. Thank you.